Right now, my staff is working remotely, and so our enrollment processes are a little bit different than usual. So if you find at the end of this presentation and at the bottom of the page where these videos are housed, you'll see links to two different enrollment forms. If you're a current student at KPBSD, there's a simple online PDF that you can complete and then email over to our school secretary and CC to myself. The second way that you can enroll is if you're a new student to the Kenai Peninsula Borough School District. There's options of how to complete the new student enrollment paperwork for the district. At the same time, if you're a new student, you're going to need to complete both of those forms. If at any time you have any questions or any troubles with it, then please just go ahead and jump in to the coffee and conversation with the principal, or also send an email and we'll have someone get back to you as soon as possible. You could also call the school at 714-6400 and we'll get back to you again as soon as we can. For our enrollment paperwork right now, you can complete the form, you can print it off and fax it, BizHub it, or drop it off or mail it into the school. Thank you so much. Thanks for listening, and I hope that you guys have a lovely evening, and I look forward to seeing you and your students soon.